Hello everyone and welcome back to Kraku channel. With the CAT and XAT exam behind us, now we are in a final stretch for the MBA entrance exam, which is the CMAT. And the CMAT has been accepted by 1,300 B schools around India. But in today's video, we will be discussing about the top colleges accepting CMAT 2025 scores into 4 categories. And the first category is the colleges accepting 95 percentile and above, and colleges accepting 90 to 95 percentile, and colleges accepting 80 to 90 percentile and 70 to 80 percentile. So in this video, we have divided these 4 categories. So this will help you to identify which college you should aim for through your expected percentile. And additionally, we will be discussing about the fees and the placements of the college. So stick around and now let's get started. So first we have colleges accepting 95 percentile and above. First on the list we have is JBMS, and they accept CMAT scores for the MMS programs, and it's located in Mumbai, and the cutoffs are usually on the higher side for the MMS programs because there is no VAT or GDPI like other MBA programs. So the cutoff is around 99.9 percentile, and the fee for the 2-year MMS program is 6 lakhs, and for the average CTC is around 26.4 lakhs and the highest ranging 87.12 lakhs. So second on the list we have is Simshri, and it's located in Mumbai. It's a part of Sidnam College, and Simshri accepts CMAT scores for the MMS programs, and the cutoffs are also usually on the higher side, ranging from 99.96 percentile, and the fees is approximately 1.5 lakhs for 2 years, and the average CTC is around 15.24 lakhs and the highest ranging from 26.3 lakhs. These 2 colleges don't have any VAT or GDPI and solely based on the entrance exam score. So that's why their cutoffs are also on the higher side. And next we have third on the list we have is Pumba, and it's a part of Pune University, and it's located in Pune. And the CMAT cutoffs ranges from 96 to 99 percentile, and the fee is approximately around 1.2 lakhs to 1.3 lakhs for 2 years, and the average CTC is around 9.4 lakhs and the highest ranging to 16.22 lakhs. And next on the list we have is KJ Somaiya. It's located in Mumbai, and they provide MBA, General MBA and MBA in Sports Management and Healthcare. So they provide these 3 programs, and they also accept the CMAT scores, and the CMAT cutoff is around 98 percentile, and the total fee is around 22.3 lakhs, and the average CTC was around 12.79 lakhs and the highest was around 28.5 lakhs. So now let's discuss about the colleges accepting 90th percentile to 95th percentile. So first on the list we have is Xavier Institute of Social Services. It's located in Ranchi, and they provide PGDM in HRM, Rural Management, Finance Management and Marketing Management. So they provide PGDM in these courses, and the CMAT cutoff is around 95 percentile, and the fee is approximately around 8.9 lakhs. And the average CTC is around 9.4 lakhs and the highest ranging to 20.5 lakhs. Now let's talk about the next college, which is the BIMTech, Birla Institute of Management and Technology. It's located in Greater Noida, and they provide a PGDM courses, and the CMAT cutoff is around 95 percentile and the fee is around 14 lakhs. The average CTC is around 11.10 lakh and the highest ranging to 24.43 lakhs. And next we have is Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology. It is located in Bhubaneswar, and they provide full-time MBA program, and the CMAT cutoff is around 90th percentile, and the fee details for the 2-year program is 17.09 lakhs, and the average CTC was around 9 lakhs and the highest ranging from 19 lakhs. And next on the list we have is NIBM Pune. This college is known for its financial program, and they offer PGDM in banking and financial services, and the cutoff for this program is around 90 plus percentile, and the fee details for the 2 years is around 16 lakhs, and the average CTC went up to 14.23 lakhs and the highest CTC ranging at 26.51 lakhs. So now let's talk about the colleges accepting 80th to 90th percentile. So first on the list we have is Wellinger Institute of Management. This college is located in two places. One is in Mumbai and next is in Bengaluru. But we'll talk about the flagship institute which is located in Mumbai and the flagship course PGDM. So I think this is one of the most famous college among the CMAT aspirants. I have seen a lot of messages coming about the Wellinger College, what is the cutoff and what are the placements. So now let's discuss about it. So the CMAT cutoff for the PGDM course is around 85 percentile and the fee is around 13 lakhs approximately. This is an approximate figure. They haven't updated in the website. And the average CTC is around 12.88 lakhs and the highest ranging to 40 lakhs. So next on the list we have is IFMR Graduate School of Business, and the main campus is located in Andhra Pradesh, and they offer MBA program and the CMAT cutoff, expected cutoff is around 85 percentile. So most of these percentiles are mostly expected cutoffs and they haven't really provided the exact figures in the website. So we are giving you an expected cutoffs to be on the safer side. And the fee details is around 15.65 lakhs. And the average CTC is 13.4 lakhs and the highest ranging to 21.74 lakhs. And next on the list we have is Anil Dalmia Institute of Management Studies and Research, and this is located in Mumbai, and they provide PGDM in Business Analytics, General PGDM and PGDM in Finance, and the cutoff for the CMAT is around 85 percentile. And the fee details is around 16.5 lakhs and the average CTC is around 10.28 lakhs and the highest reaching to 25.5 lakhs. And next we have is SIES College of Management Studies, which is located in Mumbai. They offer MMS program and the cutoff for the MMS program is around 80th percentile. And the fee details is around 9 lakhs for the MMS programs. And the average CTC for the MMS program was around 8.47 lakhs and the highest ranging to 27 lakhs. So continuing the list, we have is GIMS Rohini, which is located in New Delhi, and they offer programs in PGDM, General and International Business and Retail Management. They offer 3 programs in this college and the CMAT expected cutoff is around 85 percentile and the fee is here around 9.9 lakhs and it may differ from specialization. So I am talking here about the general PGDM course. And the average CTC was around 9.5 lakhs and the highest ranging to 24 lakhs. And next we have is Xavier Business School and it's located in Kolkata. And they provide 2-year full-time MBA program and the CMAT cutoff for that MBA program is around expected was around 85 percentile and the fee for the MBA program is around 10.8 lakhs and the average CTC is around 6.8 lakhs and the highest reaching to 11 lakhs. And next we have is AIMS School of Business. It's located in Bangalore and they provide PGDM course and the CMAT cutoff for the course is 80th percentile. And the fee details is around 8.75 lakhs and the average CTC was around 8 lakhs. It's an approximate figure. There was no figures updated in the website and the highest CTC ranging to 10.5 lakhs. So now let's discuss about the colleges accepting 70 to 80th percentiles for the CMAT. And the first on the list we have is New Delhi Institute of Management. They provide PGDM courses in various specializations like finance, marketing and business analytics and HRM, etc. And the cutoff is around 75 percentile. This is an expected cutoff. And the fee is around 10.6 lakhs and the average is around 7.7 lakhs and the highest reaching to 12.2 lakhs. So next on the list we have is Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship. So this college is located in 3 places like Bengaluru, Chennai and Kochi. But in today's video, we will be talking about the flagship institution which is in Bengaluru. And they provide PGDM, General PGDM and PGDM in Business Analytics. And the CMAT cutoff for these programs is around 75 percentile. This is an expected cutoff. And the fee is around 13.27 lakhs. And the average CTC is around 10.3 lakhs and the highest ranging to 16 lakhs. And next on the list we have is International School of Business and Media, which is located in Pune, and they offer PGDM, and the CMAT cutoff is around 75 percentile, and the fee details is around 12.2 lakhs, and the average CTC was around 11.3 lakhs and the highest CTC is 20 lakhs. And finally, we have Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Management, and it's located in Hyderabad, and they provide PGDM course, and the CMAT cutoff is expected around 75 percentile. It may reduce, but this is an expected cutoff to stay on the safer place. And the fee for this program is around 11.4 lakhs, and the average CTC is around 8.3 lakhs and the highest ranging to 34 lakhs. And that's it. We have came to an end of our discussion of this video. To summarize it, we have looked up to the colleges accepting CMAT scores ranging from 99 percentile to 70 percentile. I hope this video have helped you to make a decision on what colleges to apply with the different percentiles. And if you have any queries related to the CMAT preparation, then drop in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to Krakow for more such CMAT related stuff. And see you in the next video. Thank you.